So it's your girl j.sym back with it, you feel me? And today I have a different type of video than I have filmed. It's like an initial review, installation video, customization video, all in one. First time I ever done a video like this because it just kind of happened like that. So if you do not recognize this wig on my channel, you probably don't, because yeah, I'm gonna explain to you why. So I have an initial review and I also have an installation video for this original wig by Icy Hair. They're deep curly, and I was just like, oh my god, I love this hair so much. But y'all, if you go back and watch that installation video, you'll see the bald spots. You'll see them. They're there. They're definitely there. And then I messed up this frontal and it was too bald, and I was just like, but this hair is so pretty. There's no way I am wasting this wig. So I ordered a new frontal from Tinashe hair. I had to go through all my different websites that I ordered my hair from to see who had the best match for this hair. And let me tell you, I still did it wrong. I still did it wrong because this frontal, the curl pattern, did not even match this. It was too tight because I got curly, but I'll explain to that later in the video. So I had to boil the hair to get the curl pattern to match. With that being said, this video is, like I said, it's an initial review of this frontal. It's the customization video of this frontal. And then it's going to be a quick installation video just to show you how it turned out and how I got this cute and basically restored this wig back to the glory that it deserves. Baby, the glory that it deserves. I'm gonna show you how. So if you want to see how I got just all that stuff put together in this one video, just stay tuned, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, go check out some more videos on my channel. So this is the frontal on the original wig. I had already started cutting it off before. I was like, oh, let me just show you how it looked before. And this is the hair. You see the hair looks a lot better than the hair on the frontal. But I did try my best to like part the hair so that I wasn't cutting any hair and I was only like cutting the frontal off. I was going to try and unravel the thread, but that wasn't working. So I just got them scissors and a comb. Chances are you're gonna watch the install after this, because this is just gonna be a quick little review of this frontal that I'm about to put on my new wig. I'm hoping this texture is going to work good. It looks like it is. Okay, look, let me give you a little background. This is a wig I got from Icy Hair. I do have the wig review up already on my channel. If you want to watch that, I'm going to link it in the card. This is her frontal. I made a boo-boo when I first got it, and I low-key overplucked it. And you know, frontals be balding, so yeah. On the part that's like your temples, like right here, I low-key plucked two bald spots right there, trying to thin it out like my hairline looks. And yeah, so that's what happened. And then by the third install or whatever, it was just no good. The hair is still good. It was really just the frontal I really need to replace. So I ended up going on Tinashe hair, and they had a Brazilian curly. I was trying to choose between the Brazilian curly and deep wave, and hopefully this Brazilian curly gives me the curl pattern that I'm looking for. I got it in 10 inches. That wig is 14 inches. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I probably should have got the deep wave because the Brazilian curly ended up being too tight of a curl pattern. I don't know if it was just because I got the 10-inch or what, but I don't know if you'll notice right here, but the curl pattern on the frontal is now looser because your girl had to borrow the hair so that it would match the curl pattern of the actual other wig. And I was thinking about, what am I gonna, I didn't record it because I did not know if it was gonna turn out right, but it worked out. So yeah, I wanted to add that in there. That side I just showed you, I went ahead and plugged and customized it off camera, but I'm going to do this side on camera for y'all while I finish the review of the hair, of the frontal. I was actually very surprised because the frontal came in a whole like bag, and I love these bags, so I like to store my wigs in them. These are not in the package anymore because I just used it to like cut the frontal off, so I have 2 of these clips. Also came with a rat tail comb, which I thought was really nice just to have ordered a frontal, so I was really happy about that. Oh, so Tinashe is on the front. I wonder if she knows that. But yeah, this is just his hair care instructions, so that's really nice that they included that. There's their information about their social media handles and things. The hair smells like weave. This is how weave always smells when it first comes. It has some baby hairs that are straight, so that's how you can tell that they really process his hair to like be this curl pattern. So even if this is not exactly, which I'm thinking is gonna be really close, it's gonna loosen up over time. I'm pretty sure this is a light brown lace, so I'm definitely gonna have to tint her anyways. A pre-plucked hairline, as you can probably tell. I can see if she's gonna shed. I mean, that's pretty valid being that it's a frontal. We can check that. I did get a few, let me just comb my fingers through it. But yeah, so on this frontal, I'm gonna part the baby hairs, and I'm gonna do like the arrogant tape method where you part the baby hairs and pluck behind those first. Do whatever you want to do to break up the hairline after that, but it's gonna be in the video. So yes, I am getting hair. This will be easier for me to show y'all if I do it like this. So yeah, y'all see that. For the frontal, I'm going to insert the price because I did get a coupon as well. It took a little bit over a week to get here. It had delayed shipment, which is fine, but I thought it was gonna get, it said it wasn't gonna come until Tuesday, but today is Friday, and so yay, I'm excited it's here. Stay tuned for the, I guess, the reconstruction of the wig. Or the install. I tinted the lace using the Ebin lace tint from the beauty supply store in the color medium brown. I don't know if warm brown, this is how much hair I plucked out of the frontal, y'all. I don't know if warm brown would have worked better because I felt like when I was looking at it, it was gonna like just make the lace look too warm instead of like more natural, like my scalp color. But this was just a little bit like too dark or too cool. I'm not really sure. I just should have went back using my Styling Enhanced Airbrush Legs in Deep Glow because that one worked perfectly for me. I never had an issue. Alright, so we reached the end of the video. Not gonna lie, I had a couple scares. I thought the curl pattern wasn't gonna work out, and I low-key thought I had overplucked it again, y'all. But it's okay, because I am thoroughly satisfied with how this wig ended up turning out. Like, this is now legitimately my favorite wig. Like, I love this wig now. Probably because I put all the tender love and care in it that I needed. But I hope you enjoyed this video, found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and go check out some more videos on my channel. Bye-bye.